Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. And the IIM Kozikode started with its registration out of these 20 IIMs. So this is the first thing which has been opened as of now. So this is the website. You can probably go in here, put in your test registration number, email and verification code. Just log in. You will be able to know that whether you are eligible for IIM Kozikode or not. So you might have received an email from IIM Kozikode saying that you are eligible to apply for PGP program. And this is the level 1. Again, this is not a shortlisting. This is not getting a call from IIM Kozikode. This is the process beginning, So this is level 1 wherein you have to fill in your details. You are eligible definitely because you've cleared the cutoff and your percentile is pretty good. And that is the reason you've become eligible for that. So you now need to fill in the details. You need to log in there and fill in the details, work experience, your graduations and all that. So this is the total overall, eligibility criteria. This is stage 1. You have cleared the stage 1. Stage 2 के लिए you have to fill in the details, which is POR होता है, position of responsibilities होता है. You have to fill in your details and everything. Once that is done, right, stage 2 will be giving you actual call for VAT and PI. Getting my point, right? So if you look at right now, those who have got this eligibility, those who are eligible to go ahead with IIM Kozikode, congratulations guys. Make it a point that your details that you're going to fill in, right, has to be particularly very well articulated and written by you guys, because POR is going to be one of the most important aspects. I'll be making a couple of videos for POR access for the entire IIMs anyway, because all the IIMs follow this POR funda. So you guys can go through this. Again, if you look at the CAT 2020 score would matter 45%. And, if you look at your 10th standard score is going to be 25%, 12th is 15%. Academic diversity, gender diversity will give you 10% and your work ex will give you 5%. So those who got work ex might get a little bit more advantage. For the final merit, your PI score is going to be most important, which is going to be 44%. Right? So make it a point that you start preparing for your IIM Kozikode interview, and now onwards you will get the eligibility cleared for most of the IIMs, and I believe that now onwards a lot of IIMs will start shooting their calls up. Definitely for eligibility you need to fill in the details and uske baad fir आपको calls आ जाएगा. But अभी ये चालू हो गया. I think IIMK is the first one to do that. So kindly check your emails. Kindly go to the IIMK website. Check whether you are eligible or not, and try to fill up your form ASAP. Once you submit that, they will check your candidature, and if they find everything correct, if you meet the bare minimum eligible criteria for stage 2 as such, then you should be getting a call for PI. So that's it from my side, guys. If you need anything from my side, you can put the comment on the video. I shall do the needful. I'll make some videos for you all. And if you want to start with your GDPR preparation, VAT PI preparation with C2C Mentors, most welcome. The batches are starting from this Saturday. You are most welcome to join. So guys, that's it from my side. Those who have got this eligibility thing, congratulations. Fill in your details very well. Thank you so much, guys.